you can make money in less than 5 seconds. $5.50, $5.75, and $5 over and over and over again, as much as you'd like. Once you've earned that money, you can cash out through PayPal, crypto, bank transfer, Payoneer, and so much more payment methods. And this method is available to everyone from all parts of the world, which means that it is definitely a great website and it is always a plus. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. The website that we're talking about today is called 5Squid. And to get to their website, you can just type in 5squid.com and that should take you to here. Now basically, this website allows people to buy, sell, and request different services on this website, and they usually cost about £5 or $5 US. As you can see, you'll be amazed at what people can do for £5, £10, £20, or even £50. You can also create custom orders and post requests. If you scroll down, you'll see all of the other services provided by the rest of the people who post on here. Now, don't worry, because we won't be asking you to create any videos or do any graphic designing, because as much as possible, we want to keep it as simple as we can. Now, a little bit about this website: making it easy to buy and sell services online. What is 5Squid? 5Squid was created to provide a secure platform where people from all across the globe can trade on their skills, and savvy buyers can pick up a bargain without compromising on quality. We offer a massive range of services for every budget, with services priced at £5, £10, £20, or £50, as well as the option to create custom orders with a bespoke price. Upgraded pro sellers can offer all their services at any price and enjoy a host of other nifty perks, like offering recurring services on subscription. At 5Squid, we strive to be fair to all of our users, and perhaps most importantly of all, we want everyone and anyone that happens to stumble across 5Squid to have a reason to smile. So that's how this website defines themselves. Why use 5Squid? There are as many reasons as there are services on this site, squillions, but we'll limit it to 5. It is uncomplicated. It is simple. If there's a service you would like to sell or buy, then 5Squid will help you buy or sell it. It is fair. No ifs or buts. 5Squid gives everyone the same opportunity to earn some extra cash on the platform. It's playful. 5Squid is British, but not the stuffy kind of Brit. More the cheeky, chappy end. Fun and playful is our game. It is approachable. We're always there for our users, friendly and welcoming. The kettle's always on. Well, virtually at least. It is inclusive. We're here for freelancers and companies. No matter your shape or size, buyer or seller, 5Squid is for you. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer: PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Now, who uses 5Squid? Everyone and their dog. Okay, maybe not the dog, but we do have an impressive global community of members spanning over 100 countries. Individuals and companies sell services to boost their income. Companies and freelancers use us to buy great services at a fantastic price. What's not to like? Now, if you want to see the categories of the listings, you can click on this button right here and you'll see all of the categories of services that this website offers. And as you can see, there are a ton. Now, to dive into what we want you to specifically follow to be able to earn the most money, look under others and then select on your message on, and that should take you to here. Now, you'll see that all of these listings are simply services that will put your message on whatever. For example, you want this listing. Just click on it and then it'll take you to here. So this one says, I will make Einstein write your 3 messages on the blackboard for £5. And £5 in US dollars is 6.8 US dollars. So it's more in US dollars, so you earn more, which is great. Now, you can make a listing just like this too, and you might be wondering, what if I don't know how or I don't know what to do? Well, now we're going to teach you how and what you're going to do so that you can offer this specific service. So now you're going to go to heatmail.com and then select Einstein. As you can see, there is a ready-made photo of Einstein writing on a board, and the text on the board you can actually change. So if anyone avails of your service, you're obviously going to input what they want you to input. But as an example for today, let's just type in "Welcome to Money Shark," like and subscribe, and then hit change image. And just like that, Einstein is promoting our YouTube channel. So it's really fun and easy, and to save the output, just right click, then save image as, and that should save straight into your computer. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. This service will definitely get a lot of requests, and that's why we asked you to do something like this in particular. You can also do Uncle Sam on this website if you want. You just need to click on Uncle Sam right here, then edit the text to whatever text is being asked of you, just like what we did with Einstein. We also have Quaker, and again, you can change the text. And that's basically it. So make sure to sign up and post listings for all 3 of these icons, and everyone and their dog would want their names written by them so bad. And that is everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.